Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Android phone, this video is very important for you. By mistakenly, sometimes we are delete messages or sometimes someone are deleting your videos and photos and you're not able to how to recover. So this video is solve this problem, how to recover entire messages, WhatsApp data or photos or videos with the help of Tenorshare Alt Data Recovery, especially for Android device. First of all, I will show you delete some of the photos, and then after that with the help of Tenorshare Alt Data software we can recover. My screen is here in Android phone. I just simply tap here in the photo section, and after that I just simply select here some of the pictures like this and one video and delete this one. Now my videos and photos is deleted. Now let's come to my Mac screen and then how to install the specific Tenorshare software and how we recover these deleted photos and videos. Let's check it out on my Mac screen. This is the URL. I already added this link in video description. You should click and come to the here. Look at this here, Tenorshare data for Android, Mac specially. Currently I am accessing on Mac. This software available for Windows and Android as well, so you can install on different platform as well. Alt number 1 Android data recovery tools without root. Recovery messages, photos, videos, contacts and all of your Android device. Selecting downloaded file from Google Drive also. Recovery deleted WhatsApp message without backup and root. If you have no backup in WhatsApp, still with the help of the software you can backup entire WhatsApp data. Recovery WhatsApp business and WeChat data such as photo, video and document as well. That is really amazing. We are not wasting too much time. We just simply download here. So here simply download point of view, it's very easy to download. After that open here, click twice. So just simply drag and drop. I already installed this application, so I just skip it this one. Look at this here, Alt Data for Android. I just simply open this one. So now we are targeting recover WhatsApp data or recover lost data. So we just simply click here, recover lost data. Now here is my Android phone. Now I want to connect this Android phone on my Mac screen. So here is the cable. I just simply attach here my Android phone, Mac laptop. Let's see. First of all, I unlock and here device is connected, record. So first of all you follow these tips and tricks what they exactly providing here. So no device, please follow the step, reconnect. Look at this here and show allow. Look at this here, what exactly you want to recover the data from. Contact, message, call history or photos. So we just simply select here photos and videos, search, and look at this here, almost is done. Now allow, scanning is going on and boom, scanning is completed. Still I am deleting some of the content and those content is automatically coming here. All the data like 8 videos I deleted couple of seconds. So you can select all of them and recover to PC. Yes, recover to PC. The specific location, yes, in desktop. And so wait couple of seconds to complete this process. 96, and look at this here, recover successfully. Okay, now we can go here in my desktop. Look at this here, the one folder is automatically created here, Alt Data for Android. Click, date and time is showing here. After that load data and 2 folders created, one is photo. So boom, recover entire photos here very easily. That is a beauty. Even the pixel and graphics is not changed. That one is really nice. And second thing is video. So video also recover. This is the one of the simple and easiest software to data recover, especially on your Android phone. Using these tips and tricks, you can recover data very easily without spending too much time. If you have any question regarding this application, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.